Today I'm going to be replacing the front brakes on this 2007 Hyundai Tucson. I've got a 21 millimeter socket to remove these lug nuts. Got a jack under it right there for safety. And these two bolts holding the caliper on are 14 millimeter. Go ahead and remove that now. And I've got this 16 5/8 met wrench on there. So I think this is 16 millimeter to hold this from spinning. So I've used a couple of zip ties and zip tied this up out of the way for now. The brake pads. All right, I'm gonna start greasing all this stuff up. This one with the wear little scratcher thing goes on the inside. All right, there we go. So now we're ready to put our caliper into place here. There we go. So we have replaced our rotor, brake pads. So we're pretty much done with this side. All right, all that's left to do is torque these down to about 90 foot-pounds. So we're all done. Thanks for watching. God bless.